In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt in Xero and send it to your customer, 5 minutes. We'll start by signing into Xero. Open your browser, go to the Xero login page, and enter your email and password, then click Login. If your account uses additional verification, complete that as you normally would. After logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which gives you a snapshot of bank balances, cash flow, and your invoices. From the dashboard, navigate to Sales and select Invoices. This area organizes invoices by status, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Switch to the Paid tab. The Paid tab lists invoices that have been fully settled, which is the right place to create and send a receipt. If you can't spot the invoice immediately, adjust the date range or use the search bar with the customer's name or invoice number. Locate the paid invoice for the customer who requested a receipt and open it. On the invoice page, look for the payment link that shows the transaction applied to this invoice and click it. That opens the payment record, which contains the official details Xero will use for the receipt, including the date, amount, and any reference. In the payment record, click Options, then choose Send Receipt. Xero will open a send window with the receipt ready to go. In the To field, enter the customer's email address. If the contact already has one stored in Xero, it will be pre-filled. Otherwise, type it in. Review the subject line and the message body so it's clear and professional. A short note like, "Here is your receipt for the recent payment," is usually enough. Avoid including sensitive information in your message and double check the recipient's address for typos. Before sending, give the details one last look to confirm the amount and date match what the customer expects, especially if there were partial payments or credits involved. When everything looks right, click Send. Xero will email the receipt to the customer and log the activity in the history of the transaction. If you need to verify delivery later, return to the payment record and check the history notes for a sent confirmation. That's it. You signed in, went to Sales and Invoices, opened the Paid tab, selected the customer's paid invoice, followed the payment link, chose Options, picked Send Receipt, entered the email, and sent it. Once you've done this a couple of times, it becomes a quick routine. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you work through your own Xero account.